Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a video with picture and music on Canva. The first thing you want to do once on canva.com, you would like to create an account. To create an account is completely free. All you need is your email address. Once you have done that, all I want you to do, below the search bar, you're going to tap on videos. After you have selected videos that you can create a video by 1920 by 1080px, or if you like to create a video for Facebook, Instagram Reel, TikTok video, or any form of social media, you can select it right here. Let's say, for example, I want to create a general 1920 video. I would simply tap on it. After you have done that, you're going to be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you are going to see a blank canvas, as you can see right here, and you are going to pay attention to the menu option on the left hand corner. So on the left hand corner, you can see the option to upload. So you could select uploads, and from there you can upload the different photos that you would like to add in your video, as you can see here. But for this example, I will be using the copyright-free photos that Canva provides. And to access them, all you'll need to do is simply tap on Elements in the top left-hand corner. And let's say, for example, I would like to make a birthday video. All I would need to do is tap on Elements. Then from there, I could simply type in Happy Birthday. So let's do that real quick. After typing in Happy Birthday, you are going to tap on Photos. After tapping on Photos, you can see the different photos that you can use right here. So let's say, for example, I would like to use this one. I could simply drag it right there. Then you can tap on the three dots and you could tap on Set Image as Background. So you can see it right there. Another thing that you can also do, you can add animations to your video. So let's say, for example, I would like to add some text right here, and I would like the text to be animated. So I'm going to go over to the left hand menu option once more, tap on text. Then from there, you can select whichever text style you want to use. You can drag and place it right here. After you have done that, you can simply type in whatever you want. So let's say, for example, I type in Happy Earth Strong. Let's do that real quick, as you can see right there. So let's say I were to type in that, and let's say you want to change the text color. You can do that by tapping on the capital A at the top right there. And if you would like to change the font style, you can do that by tapping right where you see Canva Sans. And there are new that you can choose from, as you can see right here. So you can choose whichever one to your liking. Now, if you would like the text to be animated, all you'll need to do is tap on Animate from the top right hand corner. After you have done that, you can see the different animation styles that you can choose from, as you can see right here. So you can choose whether you like it to wipe, breathe, all different type of animation styles, as you can see right here. You can choose the option that you want. You can also choose the typewriter. I think I will be using that one. So after you finish, you can add something else. So that will be for the first 5 seconds. Then I'm going to add a new page. On this new page, I'll simply be adding another photo. So I'm going to go back right here. And let's say, for example's sake, I would like to add this photo. So I'm going to simply drag and place it once more. Once I have placed the photo, I'm going to add another animation. And this animation that I'm going to be adding is simply a balloon going up in the air. So all I would need to do is simply type in balloon right here. So let me do that real quick. So I'm going to type in balloons. Then from here, you can select the balloon that you would like to use. So for example, you can use graphics, or you could use a photo. I'll be using graphics. So let's see if I can find any balloons that I like. So let's say, for example, this balloon, you'll simply drag and place it. Then from there, you can increase the size of the balloon. And now to make it animated, all you'll need to do is tap on animated from the top menu option. Then from there, you're going to tap on create animation. Now, after you have tapped on create animation, you can simply select how you would like it to move. So I want it to simply go up in the air. See right there. Yes, just like that. So all I would need to do now is tap on smooth for it to go up smoothly. Then I'll tap on done. After you have done that, you can add numerous pages as you can see right here. You can also increase the duration if you want by simply pulling it along. And if you would like, you can tap on the three dots right here. And if you would like to duplicate the page, you can do that by simply tapping on duplicate page. After you have added the pages and the pictures, it is now time to add the music. To add music, all you'll need to do is first pull the cursor to the front part of the video. Then you're going to go over to the left hand menu option once more. And from there, you could tap on uploads and you could tap on audio and you could upload an audio if you want, upload music if you want. Or you could tap on elements. Then from there, since this is a happy birthday video, I could type in happy birthday and I could type in happy birthday music. After doing that, you could scroll across from the top menu option and you could select audio. Then you will see some copyright songs that you can use that is provided by Canva. And all you'll need to do is simply tap on the song that you would like to use and it will be added to the timeline as you can see right here. Once the song has been added, if you would like to change anything about it, for example the volume or so on, you can tap on the three dots on the song on the timeline, and then from there you can adjust it. You can also add audio effects if you want, and you can decrease or increase the volume if you want. And that's basically it. Hope you found this tool helpful and informative. And also, if you would like to add transition in between, all you'll need to do is go in between pages. Then from there, you'll tap right below the plus and you will see add transition. And you can see the different transitions that you can add right here. So for example, let's say I would like to add this transition. Now, if I were to play it, so tap on play, I can tap on play right here. You can see it right there. And then you will see the transition as you can see it here. And you can add more pages if you want. And to save it, you'll simply go up to the top right hand corner, tap on share. Then from there, you're going to scroll down, tap on download. And then you'll tap on download once more. And you'll now have your downloaded MP4 video. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.